Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and do hit the like button while you're here. If you're not, welcome back. Today what we're going to do is a spooky Halloween set, which is awesome because that's all pretty much that I want to do at this point. I usually wait all year to do these kinds of sets, and I don't think I'm going to do that anymore. I'm going to make sure that they get added to the lineup on a regular basis because everyone needs spookiness in their lives at some point. All right, so what I'm doing is showing you the products here that I'm going to be using, and if for any reason you have any questions about what I'm using, I do have a few links in the description below, and if it's not listed, let me know and I can get a link for you. It's not a problem at all. But the gray that I have is too light, so I'm going to add it to some black in order to darken it up to get the gray color that I want. This set is pretty easy. I just took some square shaped, extra long gel full color tips, and it's pretty much making a press-on set. So that way this is pretty easy. It's just paint, decorate, and then applying to your nails. So I'm not going to talk to you through the entire video. It's really short actually, so I'm just going to close here and say I really do appreciate you guys so much for all your support and numbers. I'm glad the channel is finally growing. Hopefully we can hit that 1,000 mark soon, and I super duper again appreciate you guys. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button because you know you want to see some more awesome videos like this, and there will be some more coming up as a Halloween challenge is in the works. So that is straight 6 weeks of awesome Halloween goodness coming your way soon. So make sure you subscribe so you can see when those videos are uploaded. Also go over and check out on Instagram because I do daily posts on Instagram, whether it's through stories or just the posts themselves. But you know, we do like to throw in a little fun over there. So make sure you go to Instagram and check me out also. Again, love you guys, appreciate you. Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a good day.